This is a review of the VEVOR 2.5-ton heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack. And now for a quick unboxing. This manual contains more information about this hydraulic jack, capacity, and safety information. This hydraulic jack also comes with two iron handles that you can join together, which extends up to 31.5 inches. They also included a thick rubber pad, which adds height to the lifting arm. All you need to do is just put it on top of the saddle if you need to use it. And of course, the 2.5-ton heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack. Now let's take a closer look. Right here is the relief valve, and you can release and lock this valve using the iron handle. So right now the valve is released, and as you can see, the lift is not moving and it's not going up. But once we tighten the valve, you can see that the lift starts moving up as we keep on pumping. This floor jack also has a plastic handle right at the center that is strong enough to hold 29 pounds of weight. And right at the top is the confirmation of its capacity, its serial number, and model number. This jack is also equipped with two directional wheels at the front, and they are made of metal. And right at the back are 360 degrees caster wheels on both sides. I mostly use this hydraulic floor jack when changing tires. And I change tires at least 4 times in a year because I have two vehicles. This saves me time and also money. And it's actually cost me more to pay someone to change my tires in just one appointment compared to the cost of buying this hydraulic floor jack. And because of this tool, it only takes me at least an hour to change my tires. I find this hydraulic floor jack very stable and solid because of its large base. And I also find it very robust and durable because of its thick metal steel plates. And with its 2.5-ton capacity, not only can I use it on my car and minivan, but this is also suitable to use for SUVs and pickups. So guys, this is the 2.5-ton heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack from VEVOR. Get yours today and thanks for watching.